So that is the most beautiful Ford Power Stroke driver. Oh, so what's that?
You're a little biased, but I'll take it.
Yeah. So Robin's going to show us how to pull a truck with a camper in the snow.
Yes.
Remember, swing wide. Swing wide. Well, my lovely bride is finishing up some breakfast for us. Ta-da! We are just about to pull out of the Diamond Point RV Park and Resort in Sequim, Washington. Sorry you can't see through that dirty window very well. That's what happens when you drive through blizzards.
Yeah.
Pretty nasty. So I've been hooking up the camper, trying to get us ready to get out of here close to our checkout time, at least, to be respectful.
It's close.
And yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast and get on out of here. Yeah.
It's almost lunchtime, dude.
Yeah, it is almost lunchtime. Whoa.
Woo! I did it.
Oh.
Move your seat back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, some short person's been driving the truck.
How do you sit with the seat back so far? It's like driving like this. You need to be upright.
I'm a bigger person.
Yeah, but I got these in the way. You'd think I'd be back too, but I need to be up closer.
No, I mean, here my arms are.
Weird.
Yeah, you're just tiny.
Weird.
You're a tiny little person.
Tiny. Yes, we like the term little people. Thank you very much.
I don't think you classify quite for little people.
Oh, well, little person.
Little person.
Yeah, see?
I don't think you're that small.
Little people. Yeah, I'm not that big.
Alright, so we are leaving Diamond Point RV Park, as we were saying earlier.
Yes.
And what did you think about this place, baby?
Oh, well, honestly, it was so cold I didn't get out and move around too much, but it was nice to look out the windows and see trees, and we really missed this area because of the madrona trees, or madrone, whatever.
True.
Potato.
So, pros and cons.
In fact, there's a good madrone tree.
Ooh, there is. You should record that.
Look at that mahogany color. That's just beautiful. And I want to say that they shed their bark like twice a year, wasn't it, honey? Seems like it. But yeah, look at that color. That's just gorgeous.
So one of the pros of staying at this RV park is the fact it's so far out, there's not a lot of through traffic, and you can walk on these beautiful residential roads out here, and it's very peaceful and very quiet.
Yeah. True that. Almost too quiet. I felt like when we started up our truck a couple times, we were going to wake everyone up.
There's a camera here in just a second. So
High-tech.
we are just about to turn left by the airport, and yeah, that's that.
And how big is this airport on
It's
Diamond?
small private airport.
Just for small little Cessna planes, kind of? Is that what they're
Oh,
called?
I think you could probably fly a mid-sized plane in here, but it doesn't really have to. I mean, honestly, I really don't know how big of a plane this airport can sustain. Jump on a flight simulator if you're that interested. If you can land a B-24 bomber, yep, you'll know. If you run off the runway and land in the Straits of San Juan de Fuca, you'll know it was too big of a plane.
Alright, so George is going to brave the snow with Heckle today. We stopped at the John Wayne Marina RV park, and he's going to unload Heckle and see if he gets stuck in the snow. My money's on he's getting stuck.
That could happen. That could happen. Yep. It's a real possibility.
So unhooking all the straps, and you had the, what's the name of that bar that goes across the handlebars, honey?
This is a Canyon Dancer.
Canyon Dancer.
You want to get a close-up of it? Because it's awfully cool.
Alright, I just don't want to get my boots nasty all over the place.
Oh, you're fine, I'm sure.
Close up.
Sucks into your bars, pulls in. Works great if you don't have bar-in mirrors. If you have bar-in mirrors, then you have a problem. Alright, so then you've got good even pressure going down.
Huh. Cool. Coolness. And tell us about your wheel chock that you used, darling.
That is just a standard run-of-the-mill Harbor Freight issued wheel chock.
And it works pretty well, right, baby?
It works pretty darn well.
We haven't had one fall over since our trip to California a couple years ago, huh?
That is
Or
correct.
3 years ago, maybe.
Yeah. Alright, you want to head to the back
Okay.
so you can get a good shot of me falling over?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
A little harder to get Heckle out than Connie, evidently. There you go. We'll edit that part out later.
Oops.
Oh yeah, it's hitting the...
It's going the wrong direction.
Oh baby.
That's for sure.
Come on, Heckle.
That wasn't normal.
Yeah. There we go.
I've never ridden in like slushy snow before.
Yeah, I know, baby. Oops. Should I check the burgers, honey?
What's that?
Should I check the burgers?
Need the spatula. That's
Oh.
okay, hold on.
I-
Nah, you're good.
No, I haven't washed it yet. don't sling snow at me.